All right, welcome to part 3 ebook publishing course. Today we'll be looking at formatting your book using Kindle Create. Okay, like I said before in previous video, Amazon have set different format. As you can see here, Microsoft Word, which does HTML, mobile EPUB, okay, Adobe PDF. This is where a lot of us get confused. Adobe, they were specifically about it. So when you use other PDF converter, it doesn't come out properly. Okay, it does not come out properly when you upload your book. If your book have a lot of illustration, okay, people come with these um, art cried, so it is distorted. So if you want your book to come out in an amazing way, you need to learn how to use Kindle Create. So this Kindle Creator, so when you use Kindle Create, your book format will come out, and when you save, it's going to come out in KPF. So I always advise people, or when client give me their work, I always tell them, give me your work in PDF. Okay, I would know what to do. Like when they bring their work in PDF, I convert the work to KPF. So let's see how we can do that. Now let's head on. This is our Kindle Create. Already downloaded it. Install in my system. You can use it on mobile smartphone. So all you need to do, you open. So when you open, you're going to see this resume existing project, new project for file. Um, Note that you can also start a project for scratch using Kindle Create. Okay, I always you to do whatever you want to do with your Microsoft Word or your Google Docs. You can just convert to PDF. Okay. For those of us that want colorful PDF design, you can also go ahead to design. But when you design, ensure you format using Kindle Create. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. Click on New. Okay. So it's going to say select the type of book you're making. So if you're working on novel, essay, poetry, narrative, non-fiction, okay, we all know that these one normally they don't come with a lot of illustration. It's always in those format. So you can also use this tool. You just click on it, click on choose file. So choose on the document you're going to work on. I'm not using for that. But since I'm not going to work on that, I'm working. If you're working on a manuscript that has comic, okay, illustration, you can use this. Please always know that they should be in PDF format. You can say PDF. So this is where I normal. This is what I always ask: send to me in PDF. So when you send to me in PDF, it's very easy. It made it work very easy. And what I do, choose file. Okay, let's use my book. That is my book on eBook publishing. So I click open. So this is what you're going to get. It's going to come up like this. Like I said before, you can start a new project. Okay, just I can't give everything in this video. I will advise us to explore how to use Kindle and create. It's a powerful tools. Okay, so these are my work. So you can see it has an illustration, screenshot, which normally if you upload, it's not going to come out properly. But with this one, rest assured, when I upload, it's going to come out in a wonderful way. Okay, so readers will not have this negative review on it. So I'll head on to preview. Let's as you already open. So head on to preview. So this was going to come up. Please note how Kindle Create works. It works like the principle of garbage in, garbage out. You can't come to this place and start editing. You cannot. Please edit your work properly before designing your PDF, okay? And then you can head on to Kindle Create to format. So I'm okay with it. I just close that. Then I save. Note here, you're going to save twice, okay? First saving, then publishing. Okay, you will do this one. They said it's to make it come out public, okay? Then click on public. You can see this is the format that I'm actually looking for, KPF. So click save. For me, click save. So that is it. We are done with this. So prevention, you have other work to do instead of coming here to close. Just head out to this place, file, Control N, or click on new project. Okay, Control N, Control N, Control N, and new project. So you can, it's taking us back. Okay, new project. Let's try another one. Okay, okay. I have yes. This is a photo album. Photo a PDF. Sorry to Kindle KPF. So if you upload this directly on Kindle, it's not going to come out when. Okay, you go. It's going. It won't come out when. Rest assured, it will come out properly. So click on save. Click on publish. Okay. Always remember to preview. Okay. I don't want to preview already. The only editing I can do here. Okay. Like I said before, it's like garbage in garbage out. The only editing I can do here is to click and take off this page, this particular one. Let's assume I'm taking this one off, okay? Yeah, I can also restore it back, Control Z, okay? If I want to insert movie for a file, I can actually do that, okay? Movie for a file, you do that. If I want to insert picture, let's assume I want to use this. So I can actually do that. So that is all. Use Kindle Create to format your, or rather turn your manuscript that is endorsed on PDF into KPF, okay, and make your work comes out beautiful.